Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project Potentiometer sound demo. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer. Then its negative to the ground. Then its output to the positive of the buzzer. And then negative of the buzzer to the ground. Now, by twisting this potentiometer, we will see if the intensity of the sound changes. Let's see. You might be noticing that the sound changes as soon as we start twisting the potentiometer. This is the maximum intensity and this is the minimum. And this is how it's done.